Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005 Crossfire. The Chrysler Crossfire combines German engineering and American style. Available as either a coupe or roadster, the Crossfire is an attractive, smart sports car with a powerful engine and great handling, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, heated front seats, security system. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.